Hi, welcome to the fourth episode of Nari Shakti with me. Today I have a very special guest with me. She's a sweetheart and she's a little girl. Hi, Tisha.
Hi, I'm Tisya and I'm 8 years old.
Okay, Tisha. Can you tell me something about yourself?
I love dressing up. I have a lot of fun playing with my dogs, doing arts and crafts, acting, dancing, horse riding, and much more.
Okay. Tisha, आप कितने साल के हो? 8 years के हो ना?
Yes.
स्कूल में आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है?
मेरे पास बहुत सारे हैं, बट मेरे को एक चूज करना है तो फिर इदाया.
इदाया. ओके, कितने साल से आप लोग फ्रेंड्स हो?
हम 8 साल.
8 years से स्टार्टिंग से आप फ्रेंड्स हो?
हाँ.
वाओ, हाउ इज द फीलिंग?
अच्छा.
अच्छा. ओके. इवन मेरी भी एक फ्रेंड है और मैं 4 साल की थी तब से हम फ्रेंड्स हैं 30 years से. इट्स अ वेरी गुड फीलिंग. तिस्या, what are we doing today? Do you know that?
Yes, we're doing a podcast on Nari Shakti and the fourth day of celebrating Ma Kushmanda.
Okay. So do you know anything about माँ कुष्मांडा? कुछ आपको पता है?
उनके पास 8 हाथ हैं. वो लाइनस पे राइड करती है. उनकी स्माइल बहुत पावरफुल है.
आपकी तरह? स्माइल करके दिखाओ. ओके.
उनकी पावर है जो लाइट एंड एनर्जी.
ओके. सो यू फील एनर्जेटिक ऑल द टाइम या कभी कभी?
कभी कभी.
कभी कभी लो फील करते हो? क्यों?
I feel low when I'm in a sad mood. जब मैं कुछ परेशान हो गया मेरे से, जब मेरी फ्रेंड और मेरी फाइट हो गया.
तो आप सैड हो जाते हो?
हाँ.
और किस चीज पे सैड होते हो?
जब मम्मा डांटती है.
मम्मा तो कम डांटती होगी, I'm sure. अच्छा. आप स्कूल जाते हो और स्कूल में चैलेंजेस होते हैं, पढ़ाई का प्रेशर, फिर चीज़ों का प्रेशर होता है. इस एज में आपको क्या लगता है, यार ये नहीं होता तो मेरी लाइफ इजी होती?
जब हम स्कूल में लर्न करते हैं और फिर वो बहुत रिसर्च वर्क देता है, फिर 2 मॉडल्स बनाना है, फिर बहुत वर्क हो जाता है.
और इमोशनली प्रेशर होता है?
Emotionally, then after doing it, I feel angry.
Yeah, you do.
हाँ, because after that I feel like, oh my god, I just did so much work and it's gonna happen again next time.
अच्छा. और वैसे इमोशनली स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स, स्कूल टीचर, कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ जो आपको बहुत बुरा लगा हो, जिसमें आपको लगा हो यार मैं गर्ल ही नहीं होती, काश मैं बॉय होती?
एक मेरी फ्रेंड थी, मैं नेम नहीं करूँगी, पर एक मेरी फ्रेंड थी. और वो मेरी फ्रेंड थी और फिर जब एक सिचुएशन होगी वो छोड़ गई फ्रेंड से, तो वो फ्रेंडशिप नहीं
खराब हो गई. And you
गई.
felt bad about it? So do you feel bad when you lose your friends? You don't want to lose your friends?
No.
Okay. और कोई ऐसी चीज, कोई इंसिडेंट जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा हो कि ये होना नहीं चाहिए था? कोई किसी ने बुली किया हो या किसी ने टीज किया हो किसी चीज के लिए?
जब मैं बस में थी, वो लड़की जब मैं बस में थी, अब नहीं हो रही, बट जब थी 2 लड़के थे और वो बिकॉज मेरी ग्रीन आईज बोलते थे आउल पॉटी आईज मेरे को. और
You have beautiful eyes.
और फिर बोलते थे वर्ड्स मेरे को.
Bad words? How did you react to that?
पहले मैंने बस इग्नोर करा और समटाइम्स मैं वापस आ गई स्कूल के और मैं क्राई करती थी पापा के पास.
But do you think that it's bad to have beautiful eyes, green eyes? You are blessed to have such beautiful eyes. I always wished कि मेरी बेटी का colored eyes हो. Let's talk about body hair because I know that there was a time when people were saying things about it and you were little conscious, you've become little conscious. Can we talk about it a little?
Yes.
Yeah, can you share more?
So in my classes and surroundings, I had no friends who had body hair like me. I felt like the whole class was one class and I was out of the class because nobody had hair except me. And then I felt that, oh my god, they make groups, they make everything. Maybe they won't include me to be in those groups because of my body hair. And after that, and then Idaya, I made friends with, she also had it. And then Mama said it's natural. Some people have it, some people don't, and it's okay. And now I'm confident about it. That time I was cautious, and now I'm confident to have it,
Yeah.
whether I have it or whether I not.
Amazing, amazing. So, how did you cope up with it? Like, what was the first feeling when somebody said that you have a lot of hair?
It was like I was first very. I was never angry about it. I was really sad, and I thought I was different from others.
Okay.
That they telling me how much body hair I have. It's not a good feeling I had to for somebody to say that to me or do some.
Did you tell them that this is natural? You have no control in it.
Yeah,
And
because if you're born like that,
yeah, that's fine. Everybody has different density of hair, whether it's there on their head or on their body. It's normal. And you have beautiful hair. That's the reason you have such dense. I had a lot of body hair too. Do you see I have a lot of dense in my hair? So it's fine. So did you tell them it's fine?
I didn't tell it's fine. I told them it's natural to have,
And then you made friends with them?
no.
Then you never spoke to them?
Then they were just there, and I made friends with people who actually had it, and I was like, oh, those are friendships that even they have it. I can talk to them
So you
about.
मतलब ऐसे क्लास में लोग देखे जिनके already body hair थे.
हाँ.
So that you can feel that belongingness. Maybe
Yeah.
you feel belonged after finding your kind of people. But don't you think that's not right? Why do you have
Yeah.
to do that?
I realized that because everybody is different.
Yeah.
They have maybe somebody has more hair than you, less hair than you,
Exactly.
short hair, and then I
So
realized that.
after this podcast, will you go and try and talk to people who doesn't have a lot of hair? Would you do
Yeah.
that? Promise?
Promise.
Give me a promise. Good. Pinky. Good. Okay. Tisya, no matter how a person looks, the heart should be good.
Yeah.
Right? You should.
Like, don't judge a book by its
Exactly.
cover.
Exactly. तो कोई कैसा भी दिखे हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है till the time that person is not bad for you or no is not thinking anything bad for you. तो हमें तो अच्छा रहना चाहिए ना. And secondly, I feel you're right. Belongingness is very important. It's very important. But that doesn't mean you find those people only who have same thing.
Yeah.
Then you're missing out a lot of things in your life.
Then I can get out of my comfort zone, and maybe those people will actually like me.
Exactly. You never know because this is just appearance. And appearance is delusional. People look very pretty on your face, but they are very bad from inside. So how does it matter how we look? Right? ओके कुष्मांडा माता के बारे में बात करते हैं. आपको पता है नवरात्रि हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं.
हाँ.
आपके घर में पूजा होती है?
हाँ.
होती आप करते हो?
हाँ.
डू यू बिलीव कि there is some supernatural power? I will not say that there is a god because you're too young for it. मेरे को भी लगता था. Do you think there's a supernatural power here?
Yes.
Yeah. And how do you feel about it?
It feels good because if it feels natural, because why would there be so many stories, practices of all Kushmanda and everything if it was not natural and real?
So do you feel inclined towards God a little?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. Tisya, Kushmanda Mata is known for her energy and her beautiful smile. And I can see that both in you. You have a beautiful aura and you have a beautiful smile. Tisya, I have one question for you. आप बहुत छोटे हो बट स्टिल ऐसे होता होगा ना जहाँ आपको पढ़ना भी है, अपनी हॉबीज भी देखनी है, फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड भी करना है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी खेलना है, तो डिफिकल्ट लगता है?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So, do you understand the meaning of balancing things?
Yeah.
So do you try and balance out things?
Yeah, like on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, or even Friday, I'll probably go out for play dates with my friends, and probably on Fridays most play dates with my friends, and then on Sundays and on Saturday do all my homework and get over with.
Okay.
And then on the 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's where I have my yogas on Fridays. I have my math tuition the same day. And on Tuesdays, I have my ballet class. That's when I come back at 4:20 from school. And then ballet classes at
तो
5.
ऐसे लगता है कितना कुछ करना पड़ता है. Do you feel that way? कभी-कभी? You have to be honest.
When I did like ice skating classes, when I joined that to it, yeah.
You did?
But normally, it depends. If I come back from a birthday party and I straight do yoga, then I feel like, oh my god. But if I've been at home for the past 2 hours and then I go for yoga, I'll do it, I'll stretch and
Because
do
then you have strength, then you have
Yeah.
a lot of energy. Okay, one more thing, it just hit me. I remember that your mother told me that you were very young when you decided you want to be a model. Yeah? So where did it come from? How did you realize that you want to be an actor or a model?
It actually came from first when I wanted to. First, I picked out. I used to pick out a lot of dress and have fights with Mama that I want this dress. Mama has this dress, and I wanted my own opinions, my own clothing types. And then I always wanted. I could do anything. I just wanted a camera.
You just want a camera. Oh wow.
So,
So what do you plan to do
when
once you grow up?
जब मेरा मामा की दोस्त एक लोगो लॉन्च करी थी, उनको एक मॉडल चाहिए था ब्रांड के लिए. तो एंड मामा ने पूछा मेरे को, मैंने बोला हाँ मेरे को करना है, मेरे को
आप कितने
करना
साल
है.
के थे?
हाँ?
आप कितने साल के थे तब?
6.
So you knew that you want to do this. Okay.
और फिर मैं गई और फिर मैंने 2 घंटे का था, मैंने आई और फिर मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था मेरे को यही करना है.
Oh wow, you love being on the camera.
ये
क्या अच्छा लगता है उसमें?
I love showing people everything I got. Like I love singing. So
You do?
if I'll be anywhere, I'll be on Google anywhere, I'll just want the camera and I'll start singing.
You do? Can you sing for us? Just 2
particular
lines. For
song.
Anything, 2 lines.
Lamborghini July जाने ओ, Lamborghini July जाने ओ, सन भी चिट्टा दे दो, मेरे को कले कले जाए जाने ओ.
Wow.
मेरे को कले कले मॉडल टाउन जुमारी गैली, मॉडल टाउन जुमारी गैली, सन भी चिट्टा दे दो, मेरे को कले कले जाए जाने ओ, मेरे को कले कले.
Amazing, amazing.
Thank you.
आपकी हिंदी तो बुरी है बहुत इससे. You don't talk in Hindi at all? क्यों?
If when Mama tells me to talk in Hindi, but I normally don't talk in Hindi.
Yeah, you
because-
don't ना.
Because मेरे घर में कोई भी नहीं बात
कोई भी बात नहीं
करता है.
करता
नहीं.
है. English में करते हैं सब. It's
So, but when I was a kid, I used to talk in
You
Hindi
used
a
to?
lot.
Okay. What do you want to be once you grow up? क्या बनना
An
है?
actor.
An actor. किसकी तरह? Your inspiration.
Mm,
Role model. The
um,
one actor or actress you love the most.
mm, the most, like out of all. I mean, I have 3 or
Okay.
4.
One. Just name one.
Mm.
Not the most you love.
I've seen a lot of movies
Okay.
where I've got seen one actress in a lot of shows, movies. So one is Dove Cameron. She's been in Descendants. She's been Maddie and Ava.
Okay.
She's been in that. And from India, I've seen Alia Bhatt in a lot
You
of.
really like Alia Bhatt?
Yeah.
What do you like
Yes.
about her?
How if she doesn't focus on one language, if she does a movie, she won't say मैं हिंदी बोलूँगी. She will learn Spanish, everything to do it.
So you want to be like her a little, maybe? You get inspired by her?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go my different way, but the inspiration.
Yeah,
is
the
that.
inspiration is
Yeah.
that. Okay. Let's talk about what are you doing to be an actor? Are you thinking to join some classes?
Yeah.
You are?
So I don't like from last year. I went to my friend's show and she was acting, and I've always wanted to do acting classes. And when I got that, oh, this is a particular place and it's like 2 minutes away from our house, so it was like we can go there actually. So I told Mama about it, but the Matilda show, it was on Tuesday. That's where my ballet happens. So we couldn't do that, and most of it is on weekdays, so we can't attend it.
But
because
you
of
are
that.
planning to do that?
So
Okay.
Mama's planning to shift my yoga to Saturday, so I can join the Inside Out 2 acting class on Friday.
Oh wow, are you excited for it? Yeah? Nice. You're just 8 this year. There will be a lot of girls who would be of your age who are very clueless because you're blessed that you know what you want to do in your life. And I pray that that it stays with you and you become a beautiful and an amazing actor.
Thank you.
So I want to know one thing, one advice you want to give girls of your age.
That even if you have a big or a small dream, never give up on that dream and keep going, because you never know if it actually comes true.
Amazing, amazing. Anything about bullies or school or friends you want to share?
About bullies, that they just want your attention.
Yeah.
They just want to get your attention, make you feel bad. So if you have that concentration, that saying they want to make you feel bad, they don't want to be your friend, they want to make you feel bad, then I'm sure that you will be all okay with it. You
make
can
peace with it?
ignore it. You can ignore it because you know what that topic is to do with you. So that's one thing that you can handle bullies from. When you know what they're going to do, you just ignore them. And after some time, they'll actually stop bullying you because they know you know what they're going to do. Do you know?
Because they'll realize that it's not impacting
Yeah,
you. It's
it's
not
not
bothering
impacting
you.
you.
So they will stop doing it and they might make you
So
part of, they might have that bond with you. They would want to know you more. Why
take
aren't you
it as a-
reacting?
Take it as if they say bad words to you or anything, just say you just have a bad tongue. You
that's
just have a
true.
bad tongue. And if they say it's just leave them. Say it's for your own benefit. You're not going to be some
Think what people are saying.
Yeah, what thing people are saying. You're not doing
It's
the
gonna
right
just
thing.
ruin your brain, I
It's
guess.
gonna ruin it. So why should
Mental
I
peace.
be
Bothered.
concerned and bothered by your needs,
Opinions.
opinions, needs?
One thing that makes you really happy.
One thing that makes you really happy,
That makes
me really happy, is when I have, like, I already have, like, whatever I want to do. Mama and Papa support me. They'll be like, okay, you want to do this, we'll make you do that.
I can see that.
That's one very happy thing that brings joy to me, because I'm like, I have the freedom to do everything I want. I can explore, right?
So do you think having that freedom is very important? Because
Yeah.
if you don't have it, then you would run for it and you will lie to your parents, and that's going to be a problem. Do you
And
believe in
then
that?
like if your parents want you to do a particular thing but you don't want to do that, then later you'll lie to them and you'll have a lot of confusion and fights going on.
And then you don't know where you land also, because your
Yeah.
parents are obviously they're elder to you. They might
And then after that, I'm sure one time you'll be like, I'm done with it. I want to move on. I want to do my own thing. And then they'll be mad at you.
I have a 4-year-old daughter, and she's too naive to understand things. She's not clear yet what she wants. She's वो अभी बच्ची है. But do you think I believe that journaling is very important.
Yeah.
Do you do that?
I don't need to journal in a book always. I can also do it in my mind.
Okay.
Like whatever I have feelings or anything, I could take a stuffed toy and I could share it with that stuffed
Yeah,
toy.
you can do that.
Because it's
What is
it's not
what
gonna
is the
go out
reason
of
of
that stuffed
journaling?
toy.
Do you know that?
I can give a guess. What I
Yeah.
think that journaling is, you can share your emotions. If you're feeling sad, you can talk about it. It's not gonna get out of the book and spread anywhere.
Nice, amazing. So basically, journaling is when you want to vent out, when you want to express, and you don't want to tell the world. Or there are days when I'm feeling very sad, और मुझे मन नहीं होता यार किसको बताएं. There are times when you want to keep it to yourself. That's when you journal. That's when you just vent out. You take out your emotions, and you're right. We can talk to a soft toy as well. I can talk to this plant as well. If I'm not feeling low, I'm feeling low, and I'm feeling full of emotions.
That's what I do with my
Yeah.
dogs.
Yeah, you
because-
do. You're very attached to your dogs. How many dogs do you have?
Two.
Two. What's their name?
Bossy and Fudgy, older one, 4 years old. Shih Tzu, very calm. He listens to you. And yeah, Bossy, we had a very funny reaction when we have an office down. When we got boss, Bossy would enter the office, and then everyone used to be, "Hi, boss! Hi, boss! You're the boss here around here." And Fudgy, his name is Fudge. His nickname is Fudgy. He's complete opposite.
Yeah.
He'll run around the house, he'll dirty the house, he'll pee all over the house, he'll attack you, he'll go crazy, he
Yeah.
wants to fight with
So
you.
what if you have to explain yourself? If you have to tell something about yourself, this is more like a naughty girl, or a very calm person, or a very joyous person. How do you explain yourself?
If you tell me to do something new, I'm looking forward to do
Curious?
that.
You're
Curious
curious.
about it. I'm open-minded to try new things. जब मेरी दोस्त एक बार आए, मेरी आईडी में कभी नहीं वापस आता स्कूल में, आईडी लॉस कर दिया. मेरी दोस्त को स्लैम लगा और पूरा यहाँ पे सोल हो गया था. तो मैंने पूरी बॉटल आईडी सब छोड़ गई और उसको इन्फर्मरी ले आई थी और फिर मिला नहीं.
नहीं मिला.
फिर मैंने लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड गई. मैंने पूछा मैं क्यों ले सकती हूँ और फिर उन्होंने दिया मेरे को.
Okay. Acha Tisya, your mother is working, your father is working. So there are days when you feel that yaar mama to hai hi nahi abhi. Do you feel that? How do you cope up with it?
Sometimes I video call her in the night and then I tell her about when you're coming back, and I tell her how I feel and how I feel right now and everything. And जब एक बार मेरी पहली बार पापा नहीं थी, मम्मा नहीं थी, दो दिन के लिए. नानी थी फ्राइडे पे, बट एक दिन पापा नहीं थी, मम्मा थी. ओनली दादी थी और दीदीज थे और बॉसी और फज. मैं बहुत सैड फील कर रही थी. मैं बोल रही थी कैसे करूँ ये, बिकॉज मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम था. मैं बहुत सैड थी. मैं बोल रही हूँ क्या करूँ, बिकॉज वो बताता है मेरे को क्या करना है. वो बताता है जब सोना है, जब खाना ले आता है, सब बताते. मैं बोलती हूँ क्या करूँ अब, क्या करूँ. एंड एक बार मैं रोई थी भी.
You did cry. But I think it makes you independent when your parents are working. I feel you're very independent or dependent.
I think I'm independent.
Yeah?
My cousins, they're very like, if they want to make a dance, I'll make a dance with them. We'll add both ideas. जब उनको डांस करना है तो फिर मैं डांस कर लूँगी उनके. जब मैं जो भी कुछ बोलूँगी सीक्रेट वो ले लेंगे, आउट नहीं जाने देंगे. बोलते नहीं है कि नहीं ये रॉन्ग है, ये रॉन्ग है. वो बोलते ठीक है. जब मैं शेयर करती हूँ मेरी फीलिंग्स, और मेरी कज़न ईवा जो भी मैं बोलूँगी वो अंडरस्टैंड करेगी.
How old is she?
Oh, she's 8.
Oh, you're of same age?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's born in January 18th. I'm 2016. I'm born in November 27th, 2015.
Oh, wow. Okay.
and whatever I tell, she'll understand it to herself. She won't tell any. मैं को किसी को नहीं बताएगी, कुछ नहीं बोलेगी.
ठीक है.
बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. और जब मेरे को कुछ करना है वो बोलेंगी हाँ हम करते हैं, हम आपके साथ. जब मेरे को कुछ हेल्प चाहिए वो हेल्प करेगी. जब कुछ भी करना है वो उधर रहेगी करने के लिए.
So she is always there for you.
हाँ.
So that's really great. Even जब मैं बच्ची थी मेरा एक cousin था, जैसे आपका गैप है ना, हमारे में भी I am March born and he is February born. तो हमारे में 1 महीने का ही गैप है. And I had the same bond कि आप कुछ भी बात कर लो तो he is always there. आप कुछ भी शेयर कर लो. I think then you have one best friend who's going to be there throughout your life.
Life.
वो change नहीं होगा ना, वो कहीं
But-
जाएगा, जा ही नहीं पाएगा.
But it's not a best friend, it's more than a best friend.
Yeah, actually, but if we talk about like a person who's going to be there for you, right?
Or me and Eva watched a show where there's this 4-year-old boy. He's been designing gowns, ballways at the age of 4.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And everything he's been stitching, he's been crocheting, everything. He makes it by himself.
At the age of 4.
4.
Wow.
Yeah. And his artworks have been on runways. Right now we watched a show about it.
Yeah? Tell me the show, even I'll watch it after this.
So you can just type little designer 4-year-old. A show will come up to
Okay.
a show will come up to you with a girl who has a boy haircut.
Okay.
They're gonna describe their artworks. He's gonna
She's
tell
just
about
4.
it. No, it's a he.
Oh, he's just 4.
4, just 4. And he's been actually people have been wearing his clothing
Amazing,
right now.
amazing. That kid must be blessed. Every kid is blessed. But he got to know his power
At the age of
at the age of 4, which is really good. Thank you so much, Tisya, for coming today. I had an amazing time. बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला जो मुझे नहीं पता था. And you are beautiful. The way you look, the way you are. Your heart is beautiful, okay? Don't ever forget that. And do not ever let anybody hurt you, right? You're right. We should ignore people. जिनको नहीं समझ आ रहा उनको ignore कर दो. ठीक है? Thank you.
Thank you, धन्यवाद. Thank you.
And before we end this podcast, I want to say a few lines. कुश्मंडा की मुस्कान में बसी है दुनिया सारी, और नारी की भी मुस्कान है उतनी ही प्यारी, और उसी से ही चलती है दुनिया की सवारी. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट. अब हम फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में एक और नारी शक्ति के साथ.